Hi guys, so just in case you are taking care of a pulmonary fibrosis patient, you have to secure an oral rehydration salt. This one is just an example only. It's Pedialyte, it's for the kids. But there is a certain oral rehydration salt for an adult because most of the fibrosis patients are dehydrated. If you notice that one, please secure at home. And this one has no overdose, right? It's electrolyte drink. I'm sorry, I'm not English speaking or native. I will have to try to speak in English. Yeah, and some face update. Char. This is the pharmacy that I took care. Yeah. And this is Manila, Philippines. Hello there.